Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to send a Pinterest board via WhatsApp using the latest update. Sharing your favorite collections with friends or groups has never been simpler. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and head straight to your profile. This is where all your boards live, ready to be shared. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the Boards tab. This will display all the boards you've created or followed. Now, find the board you want to share. Instead of just tapping it, press and hold the board's thumbnail. This long press will bring up a quick action menu with sharing options. From the menu, tap on Send with WhatsApp. Instantly, WhatsApp will open, letting you pick the contact or group you want to send the board to. Just scroll through your chats or search for the name, then select the recipient. Finally, tap the Send button in WhatsApp, and your Pinterest board link will be shared right away. Your friend or group can now open the link and explore all the pins you've collected in that board. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can share your Pinterest inspiration directly through WhatsApp without any hassle. Whether it's for planning a party, sharing recipes, or collaborating on a project, this feature makes it super convenient to connect and share ideas. Give it a try next time you want to spread some Pinterest magic through WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!